Today we're going to be going over players with the highest face-off rating in HUT to help you keep possession of that puck, so stay tuned.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So like I said, we're going to go over the 7 highest face-off rated players in NHL 17 in HUT. HUT's face-off ratings don't change on our gold cards like the roster updates do, so that can leave you a little bit confused if you go by that. So we're going to go over the 7 highest rated centers I found in the game. The first guy on the list is Beagle. He's a cheaper center, you know, throw him on your 4th line, whatever. He's got an 88 face-off rating. He is the 7th guy on the list. Coming in at number 6 is Claude Giroux. He's a little bit more expensive than Beagle, but he also 88 overall face-off rating in HUT. Coming in at number 5 is Jonathan Toews. I was a little bit concerned when I seen this when I was looking at the regular settings, the regular ratings for online versus. He had an 85 overall faceoffs. They gave him the same thing last year, and I was concerned why it's that low, but they did give him an 89 overall faceoffs in HUT, so he still does have a solid card for faceoffs. Coming in at number 4 is Ryan Getzlaf, another pricey center, but a good one. He has a 90 or an 89 faceoffs in HUT. Sticking with the Anaheim Ducks, coming in at number 3 is Ryan Kessler, another guy whose faceoff rating is a little bit lower in the online versus ratings area, but if you go ahead and look at faceoffs, he's got a 90 in HUT. Another really solid center to go ahead, mid-tier, second, third line center you got to have on your team, I think. Coming in at number 2, how about Joe Thornton? Had a great year last year, even with him getting up there in age, and he's under 50K, right around 50K right now, and he has a 90 faceoffs, one of the highest faceoff ratings in the game. Another key component. You know how important it is to win faceoffs in this game. Coming in at number 1, he's been running faceoffs in HUT for years now. You probably guessed it. That's Patrice Bergeron. He has a 95 faceoffs. As you see, he's got a +5 better than anybody else. It is essential that you put a guy like this somewhere on your team because he has that much better of a faceoff rating, faceoff chance of winning the draws. So hopefully this video helped you out, guys. For those of you that were looking for some centers with good faceoffs, good draws in the game, tried to find the top 7 here. If I missed one that was a really low overall, you guys can go ahead and comment below. Or if there's some centers you think are really good that are on draws that didn't make the list, like I said, let us know. Other people can use them as well, though. Hopefully, like I said, this video helped you out, guys. Though we'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.